In this video I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Canon Pixma TR150 printer. Now the first step is to load the paper and also switch on the printer. On the printer display panel, click on the setting icon and then look for the maintenance. Select cleaning and press OK. Click on the yes to start. So it may take few minutes, we just have to wait for the cleaning to done, and after cleaning you should be doing the printhead alignment to get the best print quality. It will ask you if you want to print the nozzle check pattern, so press OK. Press OK to confirm you have installed the paper. Now wait for the printout. So that's the nozzle check sheet, and it displays if all the inks are working properly or not. So we have to select the pattern, so click next. Select the best pattern that is printed. For me it was A, so I'll just select the A, all A, and press OK. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning. If you see all the inks on the paper, that means your printer is working properly and all the inks are unclogged. Thanks for watching.